Hello children, welcome to the class. As our exam is very near, today we are going to do revision for our annual exam. So I am going to start from chapter number 7. Children, we have many times done revision for chapter number 7 as well as the other chapters, but still I find that many students have not completed the works. So again and again I am compelled to give you the answers to you. Those children who have not completed it, you must complete it at home. Okay, today I will be giving only the important parts which you should not skip for the exam. Okay, and I will give a rough brief explanation. Okay, in short I will explain the chapter and I am going to give those parts which you must do it. You should not skip. Understand? So if you have missed it, please write it down. Otherwise, you are going to be a loser. Okay. So first of all, let me explain the chapter. Okay. The chapter is measurement. The name of the chapter is measurement. In this chapter, we have learned at first how to measure the things like the smaller one, the shorter one, okay, the taller one, the shorter one, the bigger one, and the biggest one, okay, longer and the longest one. All these things we have learned. We have also learned how to measure lengths using our different body parts like fingers, hand span, cubit, foot span, and pace. Alright, children. So with the help finger, a finger is a smaller length than a hand span. Okay, cubit is having a more is longer than hand span, and foot span is more longer than cubit. Okay, and a pace is the longer one than the foot span, cubit, hand span, and all. So all these things we have learned. We have also learned how to measure lengths using different objects like pencils, erasers, crayons, paper clips. Okay, all these things we have learned. So, today I am going to give those points which are very important and you must not miss for the exam. As I have already given before, I am not going to explain here much. I will just read out the answers, and those who have not completed it, please complete it down. Okay, this is from page number 93, exercise 7.1, question number 1. Okay, a toothbrush is longer or shorter than a hair clip. So it is longer. A book is bigger than the eraser. Bigger or smaller than the eraser? It is bigger, so we have to take the bigger one. A lemon is bigger or smaller than the watermelon? It is smaller than. Number D is a crayon is longer or shorter than a scale. So a crayon is shorter than a scale. So children, this is question number 1. If you have missed it out, please write it down and learn for exam. And now number 2. Question number 2 is tick the correct words. Okay. So this is also length of a pencil can be measured by. How do we measure the length of a pencil? With the help of cubit, pace or finger? No. Cubit is very longer to measure. Pace is also, that is a jump step, so you cannot do. So you measure pencil with the help of fingers. Okay. Length of the blackboard can be measured by. It will be cubit. Length of a playground can be measured by pace. Alright children. So many options are given: pace, hand span, cubit. So you have to take pace. Now, length of a table can be measured by fingers, hand span and pace. So length of a table can be measured by fingers. Fingers will be too small. Pace will be too big. You cannot stand on the table and measure. So it will be hand span. Alright. So this is question number 2 from the same page. That is page number 93. Okay. Now there are some more things in the textbook. Try to complete it, those who have not done. And Those who have done it, well and good. Most of the children have done. Those who are coming to the class, most of them have done. But still I find some children, they have not done it. Okay, so you must complete it. Now again today we will be doing the mental maths from page number 100. That is also very important, which you must not miss it. Okay, so if you have not written, many have not written, I have checked, that's why I am giving again and again. Okay, which is shorter, a handspan or a cubit? It is handspan. So you have to write the handspan here. If the spelling is not clear, please look here and write. Okay, this is the spelling of handspan. Now number 2, which is shorter, a page or a finger? Definitely a page is shorter. So you have to write here finger. Which is longer, a cubit or a page? You have to write here page. Okay, the weighing balance has 2 pens. You know what is weighing balance? Weighing balance means the pan which is used to measure the weight of things. Okay, when you go to the market to buy things, vegetables, maybe groceries, whatever it may be, when you weigh the things, you take the help of a pan. Okay, the weighing balance has 2 pans. So the pan of a balance containing heavier object goes down. Okay, heavy objects will go down. The spelling is DOWN, down. Okay, this is DOWN, down. Now a jug can be filled with 4 glasses of water. The capacity of the jug, okay, of the jug is how many glasses? It is 4 glasses. Okay. Now the capacity of a container is 3 bottles. 2 such containers can be filled with 6 bottles. Okay. If a container needs 3 bottles, then 2 such containers will be 3 into 2 will be 6. So 6 bottles. So these are the things you should not miss from the chapter. There are also more things in page number 100 itself, that is let's revise. That one also, the longest object is a scale, sari, all those things. You can just go through once before you come for the exam. So now chapter number 7, I have done the revision. Almost I have touched all the parts. So there are some more things that you need to do, that is showing the pen which is heavier and which is the right, L for the lighter pen. Then you have to count the number of items in the pan and you have to write down how many oranges are having more weight. Okay, all those things you may write it down, but the most important parts which you must not skip for the exam, today I have done it. Okay, so you learn those things for the exam nicely. So children, only to